Red and blue, we are counting your last wave.
Let's see if that is enough for a 3.26 for blue. Red already in the second place, so let's see who will go to the next round. All right, we're about to move to our next heat, heat number 3. Men's open longboard, round of 24.
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of our Philippine Coast Guard. Thank you so much for attending our event and keeping sure that our surfers, our contestants, and our guests are safe. MDRMC, Sir Hendrik, thank you so much for participating and attending. Big shout out to Barangay Balawi. And of course, LGU Pagudpud. Mayor Rafi Benamrita, thank you so much for your support. The Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte, Gov Matt, thank you so much. Vice Gov Cecil Araneta Marcos, thank you so much. To the Surfers Association of Ilocos Norte, thank you for letting us use your spot. Ikani Surf Resort and Zephyr Cafe, thank you for hosting us. The Philippine Sports Commission.
All right, here we go. We're going to start our heat number 3, round 24 in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, round of 24, heat number 3, out on the water. Surfer in red, Roger Kasugay. Surfer in white, Junis Cavell. Surfer in yellow, Justin Abreza. And surfer in blue, Harold Takusin. I think this is what J.R. Esquivel is waiting for, this heat. I think his brother is out there. Shout out to Patricia for watching us live. YouTube. Of course, we've got John Mark and Kirk Ancheta watching us here live at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. Wide up and riding. A bit of a wobble at the beginning of the wave. Now gaining control. A little bit of a tap of the nose. Ooh. Opening wave for surfer in white and surfer in yellow. Just a quick one for surfer in yellow. Up and down. Blue up and riding. riding. Waves looking good out there. Surfer in white, first wave, a 3.50. Surfer in white, 3.50. Surfer in red, opening wave, a 5.0 of a score. Currently in first position, 5.0. Second place, surfer in white with a 3.50, only needing a 1.51 to grab that lead again with 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Still have a lot of time. First priority, surfer in blue. Second priority, surfer in white. And now red. Again up and riding, hanging out on the nose. Nose and the toes. Rail work, very shallow part of the beach. Right there. Situation change. Surfer in yellow, you're currently in second place with that last wave, a 3.45. Surfer in red, still in first place. Last wave is a 4.0. Building up a good score for surfer in red. We've got first wave 5.0, backing it up with a 4.0, a total of 9.0 of a score for surfer in red, with 10 minutes and 15 seconds still remaining. Surfer in white, you're currently in third. And surfer in blue, first priority, currently in fourth position. Good looking wave for surfer in blue, needing a 3.85 to improve his score. Now, currently in second position, surfer in yellow, spending a little bit of a time on hang five. Now red at the back. Rail to rail work for surfer in red. Still to get to the front of the board. We'll see how the judges score that wave for that exchange from surfer in yellow and surfer in red. After this heat, round 24, heat number 4, we have Benito Nerida, RJ Chico Lopez, Aldrin Batulan, and Ernest